So what is California's cottage food labeling law, and what are the labeling requirements if you are looking to sell food from home under their Class A or Class B type of food business? Well, in this video from Cottage Food Laws, we are YouTube's home-based food entrepreneur channel dedicated to everything home-based food related. So if this is your first video, definitely hit the subscribe button. Check out our additional channels, by the way, down below. We are not new to YouTube. We have hundreds of thousands of subscribers across several actual YouTube channels that are dedicated to food entrepreneurship. So you can definitely check those out. Now I'm going to go step by step. We actually have specifically what I'm going to tell you are 9 specific things you want to be aware of when you are labeling your food product. So let's dive right into it. Let's not waste any time. Number 1, business name and address. So the label must include the name and address of the cottage food operation that produced the item. Now, if the cottage food operation is registered under a different name, such as a business name, that name should be used on the label. Number 2, common name of the product. So the label must also clearly state the common or usual name of the product. For instance, if it's chocolate chip cookies, well then chocolate chip cookie needs to be on there so somebody obviously can see what the product is and they know what they are buying. This helps actually consumers easily identify what they are purchasing when you sell it to them. Number 3, ingredients lists. Yes, so all ingredients used in the product must be listed in descending order from predominance by weight. Now this means that the ingredient that weighs the most is listed first, and the ingredient that weighs the least obviously is listed last. Number 4, allergen information. So the label must identify any of the 8 major food allergens if they are present in the product. Now these allergens are milk, eggs, fish, shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, and soybeans. So allergen information can be included in the ingredient list on or a separate contains statement. Now you can also, that means that you can actually say it contains the following and then list them that way. Number 5, your permit number. So if your cottage food operation is permitted, the label must include the statement, quote, made in a home kitchen or repackaged in a home kitchen as applicable. Okay, so you followed by your permit number. Now this indicates that the product was produced in a home kitchen and not a commercial facility. Number 6, your net quantity. Now, this is a little tricky because sometimes I get a lot of questions about this on our Marketing Food Online channel, which is our other food entrepreneur channel, by the way. You can definitely check out the link down below this video in the description section. But the net quantity, so this is going to be, the net quantity is actually the weight, the volume, or the count. So let's say if you were selling cookies by the count, like 24 cookies, it needs to say 24 cookies. By weight, it would be like 16 ounces of the product must be included on the label. Now this helps consumers know how much the product they're actually buying, minus any packaging. So do not weigh it, like if you have put it in a box, for instance, and you're weighing it with the box, that's actually incorrect. You need to have the net quantity. Number 7, the county of origin. So the label must include the name of the county where the cottage food operation is located. This provides additional information about where the product was made. Now, nutritional information. Now, this is something that's not necessarily required unless you have a nutritional claim that is made, like low fat, sugar-free, etc. If a nutritional claim is made, then a nutritional facts panel must be included on the label. And by the way, there's some great videos on my other channel that show you how to make those. You can actually make your own nutritional facts label if you didn't know that. And you can do it very inexpensively. And I even have a company that I use for my own business, and there'll be some link on that video to show you how that works. And lastly, the statement of responsibility. Actually, similar to what I just said before, the label must include a statement that says made in a home kitchen. And they actually request that you do it in 12-point type font size. That means that it's a specific font, so it's easily legible and can be read very easily. So in California, if you're under the cottage food laws and you're wondering what goes on your label, what's required, well, there you have it. Those are the items specifically and very quickly. Now, if you don't know, you can actually check our other channel. We have some other great information about California's cottage food laws on the different permits, Permit A and Permit B. You definitely want to check those out. If you have any questions, let us know down below, and I'll see you in our next video.